If you're already selling print-on-demand products on Etsy, Amazon, or Shopify, there's one sales channel you probably can't afford to ignore anymore, and that's TikTok Shop. It's become one of the fastest growing e-commerce platforms in the world, and the numbers are honestly pretty incredible. TikTok Shop generated more than $15 billion in US sales last year alone, growing roughly 68% year over year, while global sales nearly doubled. So I want to answer 3 questions today. Should print-on-demand sellers be selling on TikTok Shop? What's the easiest way to get started? And how can you avoid spending weeks or even in some cases months trying to figure everything out on your own? So let's jump in. If you've watched my channel for any amount of time, you know I'm a big believer in diversifying your business. That's why I didn't just sell on Amazon. I sold on Etsy too. I sold on Redbubble, Shopify, etc. Every additional marketplace gives you another opportunity to reach customers that you may have never found otherwise. And TikTok Shop is becoming one of those new opportunities. It's not new anymore. Unlike traditional commerce, people aren't necessarily searching for products. They're discovering them while they're already watching videos. And that's a powerful combination of entertainment and shopping. And it's why big established e-commerce brands are expanding every month onto TikTok Shop. Now, the opportunity is exciting, but actually getting started can feel overwhelming. There's account approvals, store configuration, platform policies, product listings. There's affiliates. You got to set up your affiliates, guys. Your content strategy, live streams, and just general operations. That's before you ever make your first sale. Now, when Fiverr approached me about this campaign, I actually thought it made a lot of sense because they're solving a huge problem for a lot of business owners. Instead of trying to learn every aspect of TikTok Shop yourself, Fiverr connects businesses with vetted TikTok Shop experts that specialize in helping brands launch and grow and achieve success on the platform. Let me show you. So I first learned about Fiverr back in college. That was almost 2 decades ago. I learned about it from a friend and I have used it for just a ton of different things ever since. I wanted to make sure you knew that Fiverr has their own vetted pros, professional consultants in this case for TikTok Shop specifically, that can help you with everything you need to be successful on TikTok Shop. Depending on what it is you need specifically, they can help you with things like store setup, operations, content strategy, affiliate marketing, ongoing growth, and scaling your business as your shop grows. One thing I especially like is that Fiverr is offering a free consultation right now. You can meet with a vetted TikTok Shop expert, walk through your business, ask questions, review your goals, and get a launch strategy before you commit to anything. I know many of you have had successful Etsy stores, Amazon merch businesses, or maybe even a Shopify store. And if you've been curious about TikTok Shop but haven't known where to begin, that free consultation is probably the easiest first step. I'll make sure to have a link down in the description of this video. Plus, I just wanted to show you guys for a second that these experts, they're pre-vetted. You know that you're in good hands in this case. For instance, this is Jack. He's a vetted pro here on Fiverr. You can scroll down and see their services. You might see things in addition to their expertise in TikTok Shop. You can even scroll down further, and Fiverr has a portfolio section now. So I love that they're constantly expanding not just what you can find on Fiverr, but expanding ways to vet those that you trust, in this case, with your business. Here's another vetted pro on Fiverr. His name is Mike. Now, he's a top 40 official TikTok Shop US partner. You can see that he's a vetted pro in the Fiverr network. And you can see here as well, more verification that they are what they claim to be, a TikTok Shop expert that you can work with. I also want to make sure if you scroll down here past the portfolio, you can see real reviews from previous customers that hired Mike to help with their business. So I love the transparency. Now, whether you decide to work with an expert or decide to build everything yourself, you still need products to sell. That's where Printify comes in. I'm going to show you exactly how to connect Printify to TikTok Shop so you can publish products and have your orders fulfilled automatically. I also had to mention first that currently Printify's TikTok Shop integration is only available to sellers in the United States. So you're going to want to click the top left corner. And by the way, if you're new to Printify, use the link below to create a free account. Click the top left corner and then click Add New Store. It'll take you to a page that looks like this. Next, you guessed it, click TikTok. Now, you can see that there's over 1 billion users on TikTok. So you're basically advertising your products to a massive audience. And when I say advertise, this is potentially organic exposure. Of course, your content strategy is going to dictate that. And that's where, again, you might want to consider reaching out to an expert if you're new to TikTok, but that's a separate story. Go ahead and hit continue in this case. And next, you need to either create a new store, and this is going to be a Printify store, or you can click use an existing store and select one of your existing stores in your Printify account to import import your products from to your TikTok store. Just remember that if you create a new one, you can name it whatever you want. This is only going to be visible in Printify. It's not something that your TikTok customers see. Then hit continue in the bottom right corner. Next, you can either create a new TikTok account or connect your existing account. Then you need to set up shipping, and Printify has a video that I will link to in the YouTube cards right here and in the description, walking you through this step by step. Also, again, there is always the opportunity to hire a Fiverr vetted expert that can walk you through maybe not the Printify specific setup, but everything as it relates to the back end of TikTok Shop. And you can do that and book a call using the information in the description of this video. Once your store is connected, everything starts to feel familiar. You'll create products just like you normally would inside Printify. Whether it's apparel, accessories, home decor, we all know they've got hundreds of print-on-demand products you can choose from. Might even be over 1,000 at this point in their catalog. So you simply customize your design, choose your print provider, set your pricing, and publish directly to TikTok Shop. Now you probably noticed the change of scenery. That's because I jumped on my wife's computer because she graciously allowed me to share her TikTok Shop. You can see that she's leaned into apparel primarily, and it's a little bit outdated. Looks like the last time she was probably publishing new products was the 2024 election cycle. But the point I wanted to make is that once you're connected, you treat this like you would any other POD store. You publish new products from Printify's massive catalog, and following each sale, it's going to get automatically fulfilled, and the tracking will get added to TikTok Shop, and it'll notify your customer. So to recap, let's say a customer discovers your product while scrolling TikTok. They purchase it directly through TikTok Shop. That order is automatically sent over to Printify, and Printify forwards it to your chosen print provider from their massive global network. The product gets printed, packed, and shipped directly to your customer within days, maybe a week, depends on where they are. They're gonna have it arrive at their door. The tracking information is automatically sent back to TikTok Shop. You never have to hold inventory, package the orders, or visit the post office. It's one of the reasons why I absolutely love print on demand and have been doing it for almost a decade. Now, obviously, getting products published is only one piece of building a successful TikTok Shop. You still want to think about creating engaging content at a minimum. Then consider working with affiliate creators. Some people, that's the main way that they drive traffic. You can optimize your listings for SEO and understand how the platform works. That's exactly why I think Fiverr's free consultation is worth taking advantage of at a minimum, right? And from there, consider hiring them and benefiting from their expertise. Instead of figuring everything out on your own through trial and error, which can take forever and you may not get it right, speak directly with someone who specializes in helping businesses launch and grow on TikTok Shop. If you'd like to schedule that free consultation, you'll find my Fiverr link right below this video. No pressure, just a chance to get personalized guidance and see if TikTok Shop makes sense for your business. Hopefully this video gave you that clear understanding you might have been lacking of both the opportunity that TikTok Shop represents and how simple Printify makes the product creation and fulfillment side of the business. And if you enjoyed this video, make sure to hit that like button and subscribe for more print on demand tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you guys at the next one.